In the clip, we are going to discuss 1C. First of all, what do we see? We see the integral parts, right? So if you see here, integral part is 50, 50, 48, 47 and 45. All the integral parts are given different, na? So when integral parts are different, what do we see? Integral parts are different, then no need to see the decimal parts. Clear? When integral parts are different, no need to see the decimal parts. Only integral parts we will see and write in ascending order. Which one will be smaller among the integral? 45 will be smaller, right? So your first smallest number will be 45.16. Okay. After 45, what do we have? 47.245. Once again, I'll repeat this thing, that when all your integral parts are different, that time no need to see the decimal parts. Just ignore the decimal part when you can only understand with the integral part itself. Okay. If you see in question number B, here integral parts were same. So when we had integral part as same, that time we have seen the decimal parts. Okay. But when we have all integral only different, no need to see the decimal. From integral only we can get the smallest digits. So 45 and 47, then 48.06. Now comes here, you see 50 and 50. Here both the integral parts are similar. So now when we have integral part same, what do we see? We see the decimal part. When integral part are same, then only we will see the decimal part, otherwise we will leave as it is. You see, it is and here it is 3 digit, here it is only 2 digit. So when 3 and 2, what do we do? We'll put 1 0 and make both of them as like decimals. Yes. So we have here 2 and 9. Among 2 and 9, which one is the smaller? 2, right? So 50.27. Got it? And at the last we will write 50.981. Done with question number C. Then D. What do we see? First of all, integral parts. Okay. Start noticing the integral part first for ascending orders. 21, 26, 22, 21 and 22. Again, if you see 21, 21, two times it is written here. And in 21, 21, if you will see the decimal part, because both the integral are same, na? Both the integral are same, then we will see the decimal part. So here decimal part is given 5 and here it is given 49. Now you all will get confused that 49 is greater than 5, right? But no, if we have 2 digits here, that time we will put 1 digit after 5 also. Got it, na? All the decimal parts should have same number of digits in the decimal part. Keep in mind this thing. All the decimal parts should have same number of digits. So now if you see, this is 21. This is also 21. If both are 21, we will see the decimal parts. Now decimal part is 5 here and decimal part is 4 here. So among 5 and 4, which one is the smaller? 4 is the smaller, right? So 21.49 will be written first. Clear, na? Don't get confused that it is 49 and it is only 5. Okay, na? It is not only 5. When we have 2 digits in decimal part, then this side also we will have 2 digits in decimal part. Okay. So 21.49, then 21.50. After 21, we are given with 22.8 and 22.03. So what we have to do, first of all, 22.8 where it is written, that time we will put there 0 and it will become 22.80 and 03. So which one will be smaller? 22.03, then 22.8 and then what is left? 26.04. Here we have completed all the 4 ascending orders. You can see like this, we'll write the answer.